Hey, welcome back. This window is in really bad condition. I don't think it was ever touched since it was originally installed almost 50 years ago. Paint is chipping, some parts rotted away, and I feel it was never finished properly because it's missing trim. It would be easier to replace it with a new one, as many already did when renovating apartments in this building, but I think it's still worth trying to save it. The window still is only segment that needed to be completely replaced, so I simply replicated the same shape from a beach board and I tested a few stains on it, but I didn't like any of them. So I'm just gonna leave it in its natural form. For me, the biggest problem visually with this window is transition from tiles to wall and how rough they look with visible edges, and also upper box where there used to be sun blind. All that I want to hide and cover up with wood boards that I'm attaching with screws. This way I created structure which on top can be added trim, and for that I try to find the same one as one that is used on other doors in apartment, which is just simple profile with one rounded edge. One thing that I really liked about this window is its existing hardware that is made out of some metal. I'm not sure which one exactly, I think it's brass maybe. It goes super well with everything else in the kitchen, but it was covered in old paint, so I carefully removed it with scalpel, and after that painted damaged parts with similar gold color. Window frame and all other parts except window sill were thoroughly sanded and coated with multiple layers of white paint in satin finish. I thought white was only logical option considering color of cabinets, tiles and walls. I was really shocked how good it turned out. It looks bigger and more prominent in the kitchen. Before I reveal you final clips, I'll show you a few other things that I had to do. With this layout, upper kitchen cabinets have this dead end side that I really don't like, because it's directly visible from dining room, and I thought adding something to fill that gap would improve how everything looks. I came up with this really simple shelf that can be used as spice rack and place for displaying small decor items. I added wooden rods and I removed material from side so it feels more open and can be reached easily. These silver handles needed to go, and I replaced them with antique brass ones. I always get surprised how this relatively simple change can have such a big impact. Now that we have a bigger counter space, I mounted under cabinet lighting. Adding different types of lighting is really crucial if we want our spaces to look luxurious and well designed. So in this room, we have ambient or main lighting here, task lighting in form of wall sconces and under cabinet lighting here, and accent lighting, in my case candles, that I'm gonna add later. And now let's see was all this worth it. This is not the end though. I still need to style and decorate these spaces, which is my favorite part, and that will be in the next video, so stay tuned, and if you enjoyed this, consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you soon. Bye!